Hey guys, Pulp here, the Sceptile with the skills. That's right, new Halloween skin. And I'm here
Oh,
with Mr. No Egg 7, and we are doing Draw My Thing.
yes we are. Yes, we are. Man, I love Draw My Thing.
I love Sceptile, so I made a Sceptile skin. It's really creepy. It's
Yes,
supposed to be like a hoodie.
I know. I like that. Whoa,
Yes.
who blew up something? Oh, people are
Uh-oh.
using the TNT again. Oh boy.
Run!
Run! Oh my god.
Oh no!
No, I'm
Alright,
jumping
okay,
off the
someone...
cliff.
No, the dragon's not down there anymore.
Oh, he isn't? What?
I thought he was removed from down there. But we're about to start anyway, so
Oh, yeah,
here we
yeah.
go.
Yep, here we go. Alright, cool.
Alright, so... Who will be first?
Very good question. I'm putting my render distance up to 4. Because it's on 2.
Up, G-Lagfest is drawing.
Okay.
Canoe. Bacon.
Not a canoe.
I'm gonna say canoe.
Paul, it will never
For
be
those
a
of you that
canoe.
don't know, I was playing for fun on the Nexus.
Paper, apple, cherry.
And I managed to get canoe.
Of course. Potion. I don't know why the letters go away.
What is that?
What is this?
It's not... Oh! No. Oh!
What is it?
There we go.
Syrup.
I love me some maple syrup.
He
Especially
should have put it
canoe.
as brown, not orange.
Yeah.
I understand if
Syrup's
he's
always iffy.
colorblind.
Oh, how many
but
letters? I can't see. Oh, I can see. Oh.
8. It's not canoe. It's not canoe, Paul. I swear to God. No, Paul. I was about to say if I got that right.
Oh, what is... Oh.
No, it's not an astronaut. What is this? A mushroom.
What
Last
is
letter
this?
is E. The
Oh,
last letter is an E. What?
There we go.
What?
If that's a pickaxe.
Oh! What? No, I put
Why'd you say glowstone?
I don't know.
Alright. Balrox is drawing. Balrog is drawing.
Stupid. I'm sorry.
Oh, I know what it is.
It's canoe. Dude, I just see us new.
Hey, so... CS, no.
See
Oh.
us no. Is it
Oh,
not a grape, it's not a
No.
salad. Ends with an A. It's not Apple Jacks. Thought it was Apple Jacks for a second. What is this?
what is it?
Yeah. Oh, he's spelling it. Great.
Oh!
What is it?
Oh, you put... It's salsa.
Salsa. That's guacamole!
Oh, yeah, it is guacamole. Why did he draw guacamole?
That's
Oh.
guacamole, sir. Dinosaur.
I got it.
How?
Happy feet.
Oh my god, is it really? How do you have 10?
You don't know how many YouTubers I watch, do you?
No, I don't.
I have a lot of spare time.
I see. Well, I'm compiled by homework. That looks more like a
Penguin.
black snowman.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
perfect.
oh.
Hey, you know what? It is a 5-letter word. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Okay. Now we do that and there.
Got it.
And I know this because I play drum set.
And I know it because I play trombone.
Yep.
The easiest instrument you can play, because all you have to do
How
is
is that
know the
easy?
number position. All you have to do is know the number positions and how high or low to play the note.
Now, how do you change pitch with a trombone? I've always been
Very carefully.
Yeah, but how? Like
With
do
your
you
lips.
Oh, that's how. Like do you tighten your lips or
Yeah, you tighten or loosen it. Oh gosh, this is such a weird thing to talk about. Also, for those of you watching from my perspective, it's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Yay! What is this? Oh, oh, oh. Nope.
There ain't no backpack.
What is it?
Not sure.
Um,
Not
it's not a
pumpkin.
jacket. Oh, make sure you're not AFK.
I know, I'm not.
Oh,
The
what?
bookcase.
How is that a bookcase? It looks like a kid drew on the wall.
I'm not even gonna question. I'm not.
Um,
Paul, it's more than 5 letters. Wow.
oh, he is just drawing really slow.
Perfectionist right here.
Wait, what is that? What is it?
It's not
Oh,
scissors. You spelled musician right, I'll give you that. Muscles.
what? Oh, I get it. It's
Oh.
the tightening of the muscles.
Yep. Get swole, kids. Get swole.
Ooh. Ooh, nice. A good drawing. Thank you, Mineplex, for a great birthday gift of a nice, easy drawing.
Lucky.
Oh, I should have done it. Oh, I know what to do.
Coffee.
There we go.
This isn't gonna help. Bucket. Paint. What the? Smoke. Steam. No, steak.
No.
Steam. What is this? What the?
Magic trick.
Rabbit!
Rabbit out of my
Somebody
hat.
said toaster. I'm done.
Why did they say toaster?
Why not? Why not say toaster, you know?
Oh,
It's not. It's 4 letters, Paul. Come on. Like. Boat.
what is this? Is this,
Yeah, what is
nope.
How?
I don't know.
No.
How many letters is it?
4 second letters O. It's not a book. Oh!
Oh, it's a hook. Oh.
I was like, it's not a book. It's a
Alright,
hook.
let's see.
It's in no apple.
Oh. Oh. Got it.
What?
North, south, east, and west.
Done.
Alright, let's
There
see
we
what's
go.
next.
That's a... Oh my god. Look at that S. Look at this S, Paul.
It's
Paul.
a hook. The S is a hook.
Oh my god. The hooks. The hooks, Paul. The hooks. The hooks.
Up, up.
The hooks.
Got it.
Knew it. That black dot in the middle really gave it away, man.
Yes. Oh, there are so many jokes I could make, but I'm not gonna do them because of the dot.
Oh god.
Because I am better than that.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I know what it is.
It's my... Oh my god! Oh,
Phone! I don't care who's calling. No.
Paul.
That's my mom.
Paul, my drawing is just...
What? What?
Do this, we do that, and here are the thingies. I can't really make this without being a derp. These are the keys. Oh my god, I cannot do this.
What is it? Oh, it's a laptop. I feel so... Oh, gosh. I should know that. Okay,
How am I
okay.
gonna make that, Paul? Come on. It's a heart, you know? I actually don't know what this one is. Oh, dude, somebody's tied with you.
I know.
What is this? Viola. There you go. That's a good guess. Mama.
What is this?
I actually have no clue.
Jamma.
Llama!
What?
I see it! I see the llama!
Oh, I see it. I see it too.
I see the llama.
We got it. I gotta win this.
You probably are. Got that third place. Okay. That's Not really sure. Oh! Yeah!
What?
Come on, Paul. Let's just say that's beer.
Oh. I got it.
Good boy.
And last but not least, country road, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia. I don't know if this song's even relevant.
Yes.
Ah, wagome. And to wrap up this round to draw my thing, I drew a wagon while singing a song that might not have been relevant. Was it relevant, Frank?
If you want to think of it, I mean, like, seems relevant, right?
Well, there's no song for, Little House on the Prairie.
True. I would start playing songs, but I don't want to get copyrighted.
Same. Oh, she quit.
Oh, got third place. I'm happy. I'll
Yay.
take it.
So, actually you got second because she quit.
Oh, yeah, true.
So, one more round?
Sure, I'm down.
Alright. So, guys, once this is finished... Oh, I got some gems.
Same, I got, how many gems did I get? 36 plus 10 is 46, plus 4 is 40.
And you got some ethereal pearls.
Plus 10 is 50, plus 4 is 54, plus 8 is 62. 62 gems.
Nice. Oh, we're starting soon.
Okay. And...
You know, I just have 5886 gems.
Oh, wait
total.
a minute. What did I get? I got, 16 ethereal pearls? What are those?
I think those are either teleport. I think they might be teleport. Alright,
okay.
so...
Nope, we're starting. That works.
Let's try another round.
Yep, let's try this.
So guys, I hope you're enjoying, like always, Vidtober. Daily videos and special birthday.
Yeah, and for those of you watching on my end, Paul is going to be doing a Minecraft contest giveaway, right? Or else did you already do it?
I've already done it.
Oh, you already did it? My bad then.
Yes, also... No, not canoe.
Oh. It's not canoe? That's unfortunate. Starts with an S. Slope. How did that guy get it? Stock.
What? Oh. Snake. I don't know why he drew that.
That's not a snake. That more or less looks like a moose.
Yeah.
A really bad
if you heard
moose.
that knocking, I had to turn on my clapper. Yes, I own a clapper.
You own a clapper?
Yes.
Let's see if this works.
I'm wearing headphones.
Well, I thought my clap would be louder.
Let's see.
Oh my god, I love this guy's username. I know that feel, bro.
What is this?
Heart. No, it's not a heart.
It looks like a heart.
It's a canoe. Paul, it's a canoe.
No. Oh,
What is this?
no, it's not grease.
It's not grease.
What?
I don't.
What?
I don't.
Why? Nope, not canoe.
Wait a minute, Paul, come here.
Wait, what?
Look, come here. Look at this guy's username. Wait, no,
Okay,
that's not
but-
him. That's not him. Wait, see.
Wait, what is
No,
this?
wait, he's not even in
Oh,
here.
oh.
There's a guy in my tab list named I Know That Feel, bro. No! Is it a... I swear to God, I thought it was a canoe.
What is it?
He spelt it out.
Oh, that's a K?
You're like, that's a K? Okay.
I wasn't sure what that...
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Right there, this is gonna be fun. Gotta draw a big, weird circle. Now we get this. Okay. We get this again. We get 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not even the 4. Okay, 4 looks okay.
5. Done.
Oh wait, no, it's a speedometer.
The clock.
It's a speedometer.
My God.
Spaceman. Chaseman. Canoe.
Astronaut. Bundles. I don't know.
Candlestick.
Of course. No, seriously, what is this?
Oh,
It's not a grenade, right?
got it.
What?
Making bacon.
What?
Adventure time.
Oh.
Bacon pancakes.
Oh. I haven't... I never seen Adventure Time,
Oh.
sadly. Dad.
This is where you play the spam game.
Yup. Dad. Den. Ken. Lit. What is this? It's not tree. I. What? Some guy got it. No, it's not a cat.
Oh, why not pink? Why not red?
Pig?
Why not red?
Make it red. Jeez.
Canoe.
There should have been pink. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be astronaut one day. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice. That's not nice. I'm not looking. That's not nice. That's not nice.
Signal.
That's not too
Rude.
nice. Oh, he deleted it. Okay, that's good.
I know what it is.
What? Oh my God, yes.
Oh.
Oh!
Got it. Emeralds. Plural.
I spelled it wrong!
Oh
Oh!
no.
Done. Done.
Okay. So.
Okay.
This is my best drawing of the character.
Oh, it's a character?
Oh, it's from a movie. That's the only hint.
I thought it was a potion. What the? It's not the corpse bride.
No. It's the movie.
Oh! That's Olaf. Don't spell it out.
Yes.
It's Olaf.
Someone said Frosty. It's Frozen.
Olaf. My man.
Canoes.
Canoes, yes, of course. It would work in this situation.
Hearts.
I'm not sure. Wait a minute, I think I got it. There we go.
What?
Yep. Come on, Paul. Come on, Paul.
What?
Come on, Paul.
I don't see it.
No,
No, hey. Oh, wait, no. It might be old enough we can't get sued. I don't know.
I don't know.
I feel bad I didn't get that.
I know how you're in a Skype call.
How does he know?
Because I said canoe after you.
Oh. Is he spelling it again?
What? Who am I in a Skype call with?
What is this?
I have a bad feeling. Everyone here? Nope. Just Paul.
Hey! What is this?
Paul! It's a canoe!
What?
No, Paul. Oh my god, they give me the word I want now. Okay. I cannot draw, man. Okay, let's move up. You got a coffee.
Oh no! Bad phone. I'm throwing it away. No, everyone ignored the phone ringing.
Okay, let's...
This is not getting ruined.
Make...
Oh.
Oh my god, just decline it if anything, man.
I
It's
can't,
not chocolate ice cream!
Stop. It won't.
It's not...
I don't...
It's supposed to be in a cup. Hang on,
Oh.
hang on. There's the thingy!
Got it.
Yeah! There you go. Ugh. Coffee.
Alright, we're almost done. Sorry for all the phone calls. It's my mom trying to get in contact with me. She can wait.
Oh. If I said that, I would have been...
It's canoe.
Of course it is. That was easy to get that, man.
Use winds.
Scale. What?
What is it? Hint?
I just said it.
Oh. There we go, scarf.
Let's put it that way. I just said it.
Alright, and...
I don't know, but that looked like a person. That Strider dude quit. Is it a mountain? No. Duh.
I'm out.
Chimney? No. It's not a house. It's not an apartment. M A N.
That's all you get.
Gotcha. I probably could have guessed it because they just put an M at the top.
Mansion!
I won.
Yep, Frank, you won. Congratulations.
Woo!
So guys,
Yep.
that's it for this episode of Draw My Thing
Yes,
Birthday Spectacular.
Yep. Happy birthday.
And Frank has won.
Yeah, I won. You won. It's even.
Yes, even.
Yep.
And for all those other rounds.
Yep.
Anyways, guys, I want to thank you all for watching. If you are new to my channel, be sure to check out and give it a chance. And also, if you're regulars on my channel, be sure to check out Mr. No Eggs.
Yes, please.
He
And
has great content.
if you're watching on my end, make sure to go check out Paul's channel. Really good guy. Make sure to subscribe here. Make sure to leave a like on both of our videos, and on mine you can do it on Paul's as well. Leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part was, and
And yeah.
We'll see you guys later.
My name is Pop_TF2. That was Mr. NoEgg7. We just joined a round that we are not actually going to play, I think.
Yeah.
Because I have to go answer that phone call.
Yep.
And we will see you later, my fellow mercs. Bye.
Bye.